Breaking your head on vectors? Well, let's solve this with simple stories. Once, two kids were trying to find treasure. So one of them, Arav, says that the map says 10 steps to treasure. Riya was like, 10 steps? Which direction? Arav is like, oh sorry, 10 steps to east. And Riya says, that helps. Sometimes magnitude alone isn't enough. We need direction too. So scalars are quantities with only magnitude and vectors are quantities with magnitude and direction. Straight line motion has only two kinds of motion, which is either up, down or left and right. So we always mention the direction for these kind of motions. Vectors are mostly used in a 2D plane to help us determine the motion in there. Can you tell me if these ants are moving left, right, down or up? Here's where vectors help you understand. Let us determine this with the help of a story. Plane is moving across the sky and has taken off, and the pilot announces that we are moving at a speed of 100 km per hour at 37 degrees above the horizontal. One of the passengers wonders what does 37 degrees above the horizontal means. A student behind answers that vectors use right-angled triangles and coordinate system to describe the motion in 2D plane. So the flight is moving with a magnitude of 100 km per hour at an angle of 30 degrees from the base or the X-line. Another passenger asks, how to know what was our speed in the upward direction and in the horizontal direction? Well, the student says, every slanted journey can be split into two simpler journeys, the vertical component and the horizontal component. The horizontal component is given by cos theta of the angle, where cos theta is Vx by V, where V is the direction of the motion and Vx is the horizontal component of the motion, and Vx will be given by V into cos theta, and sin theta gives Vy by V, which is Vy is equal to V sin theta, where Vy is the vertical component of the motion. So in our case, we can say that Vy is 100 into sine 37 degrees, which is given by 60 km per hour, and Vx is given by 100 cos of 37 degrees, which is 80 km per hour. So the horizontal speed was 80 km per hour and vertical speed was 60 km per hour. Then another passenger asks, wow, is there a way we can show both these speeds in one sentence? And the student says, why not? Unit vectors along the axis of one which have only direction, say I cap and j cap respectively, help us express this in the form of Vx I cap plus Vy j cap, where V is given by 80 I cap plus 60 j cap in our case. This way we know what is the horizontal and vertical motion. So resolution of a vector, where we resolve the vector in the form of Vx and Vy, tell us how much is the motion in different horizontal and vertical components, and unit vectors give us the direction in which these components are moving. Every slanted journey can be split into two horizontal and vertical components. Hope this has helped you understand vectors better. Subscribe to this channel for more quick concepts of class 11th physics.